Okay, Granny, so this video is mainly for you. Over here, we have my new flip cart. It holds both my sander and my Proxxon scroll saw. Underneath, in this compartment here, you'll notice that I've put all the accessories for the two tools. At some point, I'm going to make two drawers to fit in there. But I put the shelf in at the moment in order to both stop the dust getting to the bottom and give a bit more stability to it. The entire thing sits on wheels, lockable wheels, 4 of them which raise it to about 77 centimetres high off the ground. The way it works is that there's a steel rod from rebar that they use for building that I found in the bin that runs all the way through here. And there are 4 bits of the cut-offs that are used as pins to hold it in place. All I do is take out the 4 pins and put them on the side, and the entire top is swiveled. And then I just lock it back in place. It takes about 30 seconds and it's nice and easy. The way it is constructed is I have here 3 layers, 1, 2, 3 of OSB board. They are all glued together, and just for a bit of an extra strength, there's actually 4 screws thrown in there that doesn't need them. Yeah, and it spins nicely. It just locks in place. The entire bar is actually just one bar that I found in the bin. The board is less than half a sheet of board. Actually, also scraps left over from a different project. All in all, it's very, very sturdy. There we go, see how easy that was to lock in place. Now, as you'll notice at the back, the saw is on top and the sander is on the bottom upside down. They're both held in very sturdily. And yeah, that's all there is to it.